Hi everyone, I'm Chris the Hobby Guy, and I'm with Danny. And Danny, he's an amazing cook. So today, Danny's going to cook for all of us. And Danny, can you tell everyone what you're cooking?
I am making clams on the barbecue, and I add all my ingredients in. And after the clams cook on the barbecue, when they open up, there's a lot of juices, and we boil some pasta, and we put some pasta in the juices, and we turn it into spaghetti with clam sauce.
Fantastic. What are some of the ingredients that you use, Danny?
Oh, we use wine, a lot of garlic, a lot of olive oil, some parsley. We use wine.
Oh, let's check.
A lot of wine, right?
A lot of wine.
A lot of wine, right?
And I like beer with my cooking, and even I put some in the food after I'm done also.
Danny's secrets to
We
this
have
recipe.
400 cherry stone clams.
Oh, let's check these clams
We're going to
out.
add them. We bought them direct from the guy who brings them in off the boat.
And those are fresh from the ocean.
Yeah.
Only the freshest.
We put a lot of butter in the clams. Right here you have wine, beer, butter. We're going to add the clams.
Parsley.
Then we put the parsley,
Fresh
the garlic. We put a little thyme, and to give it a little kick, we put some hot pepper in.
Chris, you want milk?
So what is that you're putting in, Danny?
This is minced garlic, tons of it. My grandfather used to say, when you don't think there's enough garlic in your recipe, add a little more.
I love garlic. I'm not an onion lover, but I love garlic.
Garlic is great. Garlic and parsley is always great.
Yeah, babe. I think we can split these up even. So the clams are going in.
Clams are getting ready to go in the oven?
Right on the barbecue, right after this. A lot of garlic and a lot of love, right, Danny?
Yep.
You have to cook with love. That's 90% the love. When you cook with love, it always comes out.
And it's also the Italian way, right?
Need a break.
Danny, wait a minute. Isn't there a little bit of history behind? Tell everybody this clam recipe goes back how many, decades, right?
My grandfather used to make this. My mother's father, during Prohibition, had a speakeasy. But because in those days they couldn't call it a speakeasy, they called it a clam bar. So he had a limited menu, and on the limited menu, clams were a big hit. And my mother, who was just a child, used to open the clams, and she could open them like a professional. And they taught me these recipes, and my brother and I have been making these recipes for the last 20 years.
And every time we've tried them, right, Lisa?
Delicious. They melt in your mouth.
Outrageous.
It's a recipe unlike any other that I've tasted.
And we prepare them on the barbecue.
Which makes it
We
even.
put the clams on the barbecue.
This is Teresa.
Hi, I'm
My
Danny's wife. I put these on
She's
the
not the
barbecue.
cook though, she's only the assistant.
The sous chef.
We put them on the barbecue, the pans, and we let until they open. And they
And that's how you know they're done.
absorb all the oils and the seasoning.
Yeah, well watch, we'll turn
And
some.
tell them how you know it's ready. So for about how long does it go on? Like
You
20
have to
minutes?
keep checking them. You seal the clams with aluminum foil, and then put them on the barbecue for about 20 minutes until they all completely open. When they completely open, their juices mix with all the spices, and it makes a delicious clam sauce. Delicious.
The fragrance of it.
Wow, we have other dishes at the party. My brother's making crab sauce with local crabs. So we're
Mystic
eating,
Island.
we're eating off the land.
I love it. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. And Danny is amazing. He really is.
Doing the clam.
So now we have all these delicious clams that were on the barbecue.
Yummy!
Going on the pasta.
On the pasta! Here we go.
Put them on the pasta.
Like my great-great-great-grandfather Benjamin Franklin said, delicioso.
That's it.
Wow.
What a clam. That's good.
You made them, Danny. You know they're good.
Get a clam, get a clam.
Oh, this party's grand. Party's grand.
We have a happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Subscribe to Chris the Hobby
Guy.
What a celebration. Glad I'm here with Chris the Hobby Guy.